Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. In today's video we'll be upgrading these number plates to some 4D ones which are in this parcel right here. Let's do this.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. Words all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. Now I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you.
Sink to the deep end, hurt and defeated. Oh. Thought I could do this, laugh through the sadness. Oh. Don't know how I ended up so lost. Oh. Sink to the deep end, hurt and defeated. Too little and too late. Cast shadows in my face. Too little and too late. Cast shadows cross my face. Too little and too late. Cast shadows in my face. Too little and too late. Cast shadows cross my face. Too little and too late. Cast shadows in my face.
Okay guys, so that's the new number plates now fitted to the car. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, comment in the comment section below, and thanks so much for watching. Take care.
I've got no tricks to help me now. I've got no talk 'cause it's from now. Forgot my lines